G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and I just want to have a quick chat to you about the whole house water filter installation cost versus a point of use system that might go in the kitchen, okay? So obviously, as you can see, much larger system for the whole house versus a drinking water inside the home, okay? So when you've got the whole house and you want to get a whole house water filter put onto your home, don't get me wrong, highly recommended. Just changes all the water in your own home, and it's just a magnificent way to live, to have chemical-free, unchlorinated water throughout the home, no smelly poisonous gas in the shower and the kitchen tap, that sort of thing. So they're an absolute winner, but you'll need to get a plumber to help you to install them, and you'll need to get him to give you a bit of a quote, okay? So it's going to cost to get a whole house system put onto the side of your home, all right? Well, if you compare that to a point of use like a benchtop water filter or a gravity water filter that just sits up on top of the bench, or even a reverse osmosis, they're all portable systems, and you can see the diverter here. These diverters just simply connect onto the kitchen tap spout once you unscrew the aerator. So anybody can almost connect one of these up, and it doesn't cost anything. You can just do it yourself, purchase the water filter, connect it on yourself, and you're good to go. Under sink style water filter, a little bit more complicated, and you need to have a couple of tools and a bit of confidence. Obviously we supply all the instructions to people and things like that, but if you're stuck, you can grab a plumber, and it would be a much faster job installing a water filter under the sink in your home, maybe in 1 hour for a qualified person, whereas this one here, when we're looking at more like 2 or 3 hours by the time he finds the pipe and digs the outside water pipe up and things like that, okay? So highly recommended for all, but the whole house is going to cost a little bit more obviously than a point of use under the sink or the benchtop or the gravities. And if you want to do it yourself and get a fast fix, then a drinking water point of use system is great. And then when you've got the time and the money, let's get the whole house on there and let's wipe that chemical out and just let the whole house live in harmony with beautiful water. Nice for that. Thank you very much.